Good morning. In 3.5, okay, we have to decide by factor theorem whether this x plus 3 is a factor of this x square plus 2x minus 3 or not. Okay, by factor theorem, so which divisor they have given? Divisor is x plus 3. Okay, this one we have to divide as whether it is a factor of this one or not. Okay, so if divisor is x plus 3, no, you have to take x is equal to minus 3. Means what, बाळांनो? You have to decide this one is a factor of this one or not. So let us write this one, x square, okay, plus, at first we will write this one as px, polynomial with which there is variable x. Okay, px is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. Okay, now substitute this variable x by this minus 3. Remember, we have to decide this one is a factor or not. So I didn't take x, I didn't take plus 3. Instead of that, I took opposite sign of this one, means minus 3. Opposite number of this plus 3 as minus 3. Okay, so now I am substituting this variable x by minus 3. Okay, so here is variable x, no? Now I will substitute this by minus 3. Okay, so p minus 3, now I am substituting this variable by minus 3, means wherever there is x, I will just substitute there minus 3. Okay, so minus 3 square plus 2x means what? 2 into x, no? So 2 into minus 3, am I right? Minus this 3 as it is. Okay, now so p minus 3 is equal to minus 3 square. Okay, means minus 3 into minus 3. Why 2 times? Because index is 2. So I am multiplying this base minus 3 2 times because index is 2. 3 3s will come as 9 and minus will come as plus. So plus 9, and remember, square of any number that may positive, that may negative, it always comes positive only. Okay, so now see next, 2 3s are 6, but plus into minus in multiplication will come as minus. So 9 minus 6. Okay, this minus 3 as it is. Now do the calculation. So P minus 3, why minus 3? Because I substituted this variable x by minus 3. Okay, 9 minus 3, 6 will come as 3. 3 minus 3 will come as 0. Now I am saying that x plus 3, this one is a factor of this x square plus 2x minus 3. Why I am saying so? See the example. If I am dividing 35 by 7. So 7 piza will be 35. Remainder will be 0. Okay. That remainder will equal to 0. When remainder will come 0, that time I am saying that 7 is a factor of 35. Same case here, that remainder is coming as 0. So I can say that x plus 3 is a factor of x square plus 2x minus 3. Getting the point? So when remainder will come 0, that time only we will say that this one, anyone, is a factor of the given polynomial. If answer comes different from 0, okay, if that answer is not 0, then I will deny it. I will say that it is not a factor. Okay, but here that answer comes 0. So we will say that x plus 3 is a factor of polynomial x square plus 2x minus 3. Okay, so I will write that x plus 3. Okay, I have to write there by factor theorem. Okay, so I will write that this one is factor theorem by, okay, by factor theorem. Okay, by factor theorem, what I will write? That this x plus 3 is a factor of x square plus 2x minus 3. By factor theorem, x square plus 2x minus 3 is, okay, is a factor, am I right? Is a factor of x plus 3, and without fail I will make a bracket to the answer. So remember here what we done. Okay, so remember here what we done, that they ask us that whether this x square plus 2x minus 3 is factor contra. I will say we have to decide, we have to determine whether this x plus 3 is a factor of x square plus 2x minus 3. So, divisor is x plus 3. So, now I'm substituting this x in this polynomial by -3. Means I didn't take x, I'm substituting it. I didn't take +3, I took opposite number of this +3, that is -3. Okay, so I substitute this x by -3. I solved it. I got the answer, that is remainder is equal to 0, and I told that remainder is 0. When remainder comes 0, again see the example. If I am dividing 24 by 6, okay, 6 4s are 24, that remainder comes 0. That's why I will say that 6 is a factor of 24. Similarly, here also remainder comes 0. So I will say by factor theorem, x square plus 2x, I should write opposite, that I should write here x plus 3, but I know, see, opposite, x plus 3 is a factor of x square plus 2x minus 3. Okay, so see the correction now. I should write x plus 3 is a factor. So I should write x plus 3. See correction again. X plus 3 is a factor. This one is a factor of x square plus 2x minus 3. Note the correction again, that in question they have asked whether x plus 3 is a factor. So in answer also I will write x plus 3 is a factor of x square plus 2x minus 3. This is what is my answer. Okay.